Today I'm switching up my routine and trying out this makeup tape. I'm using the angle of my lower lash line as a guide to place the tape. Next I'm sweeping a matte soft burnt orange into and above the crease. This is our transition shade. I list every product in the description box. Using a smaller, denser brush, I'm lightly adding depth to the crease with a matte, fleshy brown. Blend everything together. Use a concealer brush to map out the shape of the Santa hat. Normally I would cut the crease with concealer and set that with eyeshadow, but the only true red I could find last minute was a cream base. This was my first time working with cream shadow, and I have to admit that I struggled quite a bit. You can see it kind of drying up and flaking on me as I go along. I found that it actually applied best with my finger and ended up filling it in that way once I was done with the overall shape. Gently peel off the tape. It did leave a slight mark, but that was easy enough to blend out. Use a white eyeliner to give the hat a little pom-pom and line the lash line to create a fur trim. Originally I planned to use a liquid liner, but the store was sold out. However, I think that worked out because the unevenness of the pencil liner makes the fur look really fuzzy. The downside is that the red kept bleeding through the white, so here I'm going over the eyeliner with a white eyeshadow. Clean up any fallout with a Q-tip. Sweep a matte nude all along the lower lash line. Concentrating at the base of your lashes, apply the matte brown. Brighten the waterline with a nude eyeliner. Highlight the brow bone and inner corner with a glittery silver. Finish off the look with some mascara and you're done. Since it's Christmas, I decided to break out the falsies, but I think this look would also pair well with a snowy white mascara. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, where I post sneak peeks and updates. Feel free to let me know what you think of this look and request any looks you'd like to see. Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas!